So I'm going to repower my Toro zero turn with my Intech Briggs and Stratton. I took the muffler off, took the clutch and pulley off. Now I'm going to pull the engine. I have the engine out, cleaned up all the old oil and debris that was underneath. I'm going to take the rubber mount for the muffler out and replace it with this bolt, because there's a bracket that supports the transmission. To use the original bolts that hold the engine in, I run a 3/8 tap through the holes, tapped them out because they weren't tapped. Engine is bolted in and I'm hooking up the wiring. Just connects. The starter wire just goes right on. For my fuel line, I just left the old filter in there and connected the hose up to the new filter on the new motor. For the throttle, I think I'll have to use this hold down clamp off the old motor. I put the end of the cable in here and I use that tie down clamp on there. I got the electric clutch and the pulley and the belts put back on. Make sure you fill it up with oil. Now it's time to see how it runs.